Hey there! Welcome back to our C++ tutorial series. Today, we're going to dive into a common programming task, concatenating a string before a given string using functions. This can be a useful skill when you need to manipulate strings in your C++ programs. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get coding. We will start with iostream and string library with using namespace std. We'll create a function called concatenate to concatenate or join a string before another string. Here, we've defined a function called concatenate. It takes two string parameters, before, which is the string we want to add before the given string, and given, which is the string the user will enter. Once the function will get these values, it will add them and will return a string back to us. Now, let's use our concatenate function in our main program. In the main function, we define the string variable before string and initialize it with, let's say, something with comma and space. Then the variable given string for the users to enter whatever they want to write. Well, now we ask the user to write the string. Cout to print a statement and cin to get value. Finally, define a variable result that stores result from concatenate function after we give the before string variable and the string entered by the user to it. In the end, we print the result, cout, concatenated string, result variable, and end line. And in the end, our old friend returns 0. Let's run the program and print something and something after that to the user. And just like that, we've concatenated a string before a given string using functions in C++. Now just one more thing. Here, when the user enters anything after a space, it won't be saved in result and not shown afterwards. So to store a sentence from user, we use the magic word getLine. GetLine is a standard library function that is used to read a string or a line from an input stream. So we pass cin and the variable to store the input with spaces. Let's test it. Well, something is better than nothing. That wraps up our tutorial on concatenating a string before a given string in C++. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.